Since you'll be learning about the logo design process, it's important to first understand what is logo. A logo is a combination of text and images that helps the user identify a brand. To portray simply, a logo helps the user to recognize or identify the brand. It could be a graphic mark, an emblem, or a symbol. Now the important question is, why a logo is important? Voice our significance in our lives. Well, logos have been a part of our history for decades. They help us recognize objects, businesses, people, and even communities. In today's world, our logo has become an essential form of visual identification for any business. Logos also help you boost brand favorability. They not only help identify a business, but also in building brand recognition. A logo distinguishes a business from its competition. The last reason why logos are important is that they can be everywhere. A logo can redistribute or in advertising, marketing, packaging products, social media, and so many other places. So in a way, logos can help with the marketing of the business and products. But there's something important that you need to know. A logo is not a brand. A lot of creative professionals make the mistake of thinking that a logo and a brand are the same, but they're not. While a logo is a representation of some symbols and text, a brand is much more than that. A brand is a customer's gut feeling about a product or service, or a company. In other words, a brand is your business's reputation from the perspective of a customer. Marty Neumeier, a brilliant designer and the author of the book, The Brand Gap, says, "Your brain isn't what you say it is, it's what they say it is." Now that you know the difference between a brand and a logo, let's talk about what makes a logo powerful and iconic. Every designer has their own definition of the perfect logo, but all of them have some common touchpoints. A good logo should be simple and recognizable, so the customer can understand it. It should be distinctive and stand out from the competition. It would be appropriate for the business and the industry. It should be timeless and fresh, so that it doesn't look outdated down the line. And lastly, it should be versatile and scalable, so that it can be used in different contexts or use cases, such as prints, billboards, and on different devices. The next time when you design a logo, make sure that the logo checks these quality marks.